This is Vicki with Everyday Homemaking, showing you the dough hook extender for the Bosch Universal Plus. This is actually not on a Universal Plus, it's on a Bosch Universal Plus base with a Nutrimill bowl. So any of you who look at this as you go along and say, hey, that doesn't look like the right bowl assembly when we get to the center, that's why, but they work the same way. This just happens to be what I have out right now. You can see where the dough hook extender is. It's on this back side. If I turn the mixer on, you can see the rotation. The extender stays in front of the dough hook, and that motion is what keeps it attached. If you've got it in the wrong place, then as it goes around, the dough will pull the hook off. But right now, if I were to have dough in here, the force of the dough would actually be pushing that extender to stay on. Now, I will tell you, somebody asked about it being attached. Until that comment came up, I didn't even realize it was supposed to be attached or could be attached, because I have run it like this for years. It works fine. When I first put mine on, I pop it on there like that. I put my dough hook behind it, and it doesn't automatically pop onto place. I didn't even realize it did until somebody asked that question. So all I had to do was take because of the angle. All I had to do was take my finger on the one side of the dough hook and push the extender. I can't do this with one hand. Just push the extender around and it pops into place. So you can see all I did was, if you can see this, I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand, is just pull it into place. And now it's actually attached. And as I go around, you'll see it stays attached.